And now that we're done with our sketch and vector lines version on Adobe Illustrator, we will now start color blocking. It's very fun, so let's get started. This is the color palette that I will be using, and all you need to do is to select any part of your illustration and hit I or choose the eyedropper tool from the toolbox to the left, and just select the color from the palette that you want, or from the color panel to the right from the panels. So as you can see here, I just choose all the skin parts and hit I and choose this color, and immediately everything got colored. It's very easy, it's very nice. I now select the eyes and choose the white color. Alright. Now let's continue, and for these branches, I just select these two branches here and select this color and maybe change it a little bit, and for her hair we'll just create that. And as you can see, we're now solving the overlapping problem. And how did we do this? It's very simple and very easy, and I'll tell you right now how to do this. All you need to do is, when you have an overlapped object or something that you drew, that you have it above another thing, you just select the one above and right click and choose to reorder that. Alright, or all what you can do is to hit Control or Command square brackets, just to take this object one step above all the items or one step back, and you can hit Control or Command Shift square brackets to take it all the way to the back or all the way to the front. It's a very amazing shortcut that you will use a lot in Adobe Illustrator, and that's very nice. Alright, so just let's keep going. So as I told you, all what you need to do is, when you have an overlapping object above any other object, you just right click and hit Arrange, and you will have the four options of bring to front, bring to back, or bring forward, or bring backward. And as I told you, the shortcuts for that will be as you have now on the screen. Alright, as you can see, all I'm using now is I just select any item that I have or any object that I have here in the illustration, hit I and select the color from the color palette. And now I'm using a really nice technique also, it's a draw inside. Draw inside, you can find it here in the toolbox to the left. It's an amazing mode, and all you need to do is to select the object and hit the draw inside mode, and you can draw inside this object. It's very easy. I use it to draw the eye pupils here in the eye, and I also use it, like in my previous classes, to add the shading and lighting inside the objects. So it's very easy, and you will like it a lot, and you will use it so much. Alright, you can hit A and select any anchor point that you have in any path that you have drawn, just to modify that. And as you can see here, I selected the hair and trying to change it, just trying some colors here. And now I'll select this, the mouth, and choose a proper color, and now I will draw the eyelashes. Also with the pencil tool, you just hit N and draw the eyelashes. Illustrator is not hard at all, it's really easy. It can be a little bit tricky, but with practice it will be great with you. So just to recap here in this lesson of color blocking, all you need to do is to choose the color palette you'd like to use, and just hit V and select the object, and then hit I to select the color that you want. And that's it. Alright, I just hid the color palette for now. Alright. And as you can see, here is another way that you can use to rearrange your layers. All you need to do is to take the layer that's above and drag it in the layers panel and take it down or below the layers that you want. It's really easy technique and you will really love it. And that's all for this part. Hope you liked it and see you in the next lesson.